How to verify your email in Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a Roblox application in your mobile device. Once you open the Roblox app, you simply want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the More icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside the More section, scroll below and then tap on Settings icon. Now inside Settings section, simply tap on Account Info. And inside account info, you'll then be able to find email address right over here. So for you to go ahead and verify email in Roblox, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have entered your email address right over here. So after you entered your email address, go ahead and tap on verify and then tap on OK. Once done, head back to your home screen and then simply open up your Gmail. And as you can see that Roblox has emailed me for my email verification. So you want to go ahead and open that and then simply tap on verify email. Go ahead and choose your browser, and just like that, your email has been verified. So go ahead and open up the Roblox app, refresh the page, and then tap on account info again. And just like that, you'll then be able to find a verified next to your email address. Well, that's simply how to verify your email on Roblox. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.